Introducing the new ProjXs Mobile experience. Type at Loom to ask for content help. Loom AI gives suggestions, but you're the editor. You can retry, modify, or save when you're ready. It's not here to take over, it's here to assist. Everything happens inside your writing space, with no need to switch views or open extra tabs. Ask for a summary, rewrite a section, or get inspiration, all without losing your flow. Because with Loom AI, you're not just faster, you're still the author. In any saved project, tap Ask Loom AI to get summaries, identify missing parts, or generate ideas without opening multiple views. Everything happens in a focused overlay, so you never lose your place or context. Whether you're reviewing an old draft or planning the next section, Loom AI responds instantly, right where you are. Now meet Loom AI, fully focused, ready to chat. Ask anything, from summaries to fresh ideas, missing parts to creative directions. This is where edits end and real thinking begins. Need a breakdown of your project? A title? A problem solved? Just ask. Loom listens and answers instantly. Need Loom to focus on something specific? Pick a project from your workspace, and it'll answer in context, with precision. No copy-paste, no switching views, just ask. Want a summary of what you wrote last night? Need to find what's missing or what's worth expanding? Loom already knows the structure, just guide it. As soon as you select, Loom gets to work, scanning titles, notes, even rough drafts. It understands what's there, what's missing, and what matters. No need to explain. Just ask and watch it think with you. Turn on Autopilot to let Loom build your entire project from scratch. No templates, no starting from zero, just select what you want to create. You can choose a blog, a pitch, a project outline, or even a document with your own style. Once you're ready, Loom starts analyzing. It looks at your workspace, your inputs, and the goal of your project. Then, step by step, it begins generating. The title comes first, then the structure. Sections appear one by one, clean, organized, and ready to review. You can watch the blocks appear live or sit back and let it finish. Everything is created by your assistant in real time and saved automatically. You stay in control. You can edit anything, remove a section, or save it just the way it is. Whether it's a small note or a full write-up, Autopilot builds it fast. Smart defaults, live suggestions. It's more than notes. It's projects.